friends.
Hey there.
Welcome to the Rio All Suites Hotel and Casino.
Off the strip.
Off the strip. As you come in, the restroom is off to the right. Full-length mirrors leading into the closet. Your iron, your ironing board, standard safe. So we got 2 sinks, hair dryer, complimentary shampoo, conditioner, and the suite is out front. Have a TV, refrigerator. Not super cold. This table has definitely seen better days. It's very important to pay attention when you're connecting to a hotel's Wi-Fi. For instance, here at the Rio, if you just kept clicking connect, you'd miss that they have a 2-device limit. Any device beyond 2 will cost you $15 a day. It was more important that my tablet was able to connect to the internet, so I switched over to it to do the speed test. And unfortunately, my normal speed test site was down, so I did a quick Google search to find another one, and the internet was performing pretty well. Not sure what this is. The room was clean, the bed was comfortable, the shower was hot with plenty of water pressure, and the tub drained properly.
And it was clean.
Yes. But with the Wi-Fi, they did turn it off like 10 minutes right before we were supposed to check out. So at 10:50, the Wi-Fi just disappeared.
I was in the middle of emails.
The 2-device limit kind of sucks. Try to get around that through multiple ways. I'm sure Google can help you with it. Granted, stuff might be dated, the couches, the
tables, worn,
chairs, all that kind of stuff, but you know, this was $25 for the room. It's $45 resort fee. So that means it's $70 a night. So
yeah, not bad.
How does this compare to the Oyo?
Much nicer.
You get a lot more, a little further up the strip. Now, you can walk to the strip from here. I would not advise it. It's about a mile.
Over the freeway.
Yes. During the day, you have to deal with the heat or the wind. And then you spend most of your time walking on the strip, so you're just Ubering back anyway. So I just Ubered to begin with. Or across the street is the Gold
Coast. They have a shuttle, right?
Right, but it's not 24/7. For most of the day, they have a free shuttle for their guests and the board reward members. So if you go up and sign up for the reward program, I believe you can take part in their shuttle. I think we'd come back here with another good budget option.
There's a dog in the casino.
And so till next time, friends.
Bye.
Cheers.
Another round.